Okay, bring that swivel all the way up. Okay, you're good. There's nothing more you can do. You just have to hang on, okay? Okay, get over here with that other gaff. Bring it to me. Okay? Now hold that gaff. One I just put in. Okay? Put the rod on the rod holder like I showed your brother. Unclip the harness. Okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, you gotta walk back. You gotta walk back, okay? Just walk back.